Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, I'm talking about what I believe to be the best Ring camera power over Ethernet solution. Though technically it's still a power over cable adapter, not PoE. It's a 25-foot power cord and adapter compatible with Ring Spotlight Cam Pro, battery, stick-up cam battery, plug-in, stick-up cam Pro, and Ring Pan Tilt indoor cam featuring both DC and Type-C ports. This product offers perfect compatibility. Just be sure to check your camera's power interface before ordering. It includes double rubber rings on the connector to help prevent water ingress and a magnetic design that locks it securely into place so it won't come loose after installation. Its extended 25-foot length gives you the flexibility to place your Ring camera where you want it, without worrying about battery swaps or limited cord reach. That means you can mount your camera high or far from an outlet and still have continuous power without ever having to fiddle with battery changes. This adapter is built to withstand the elements. Sporting a weatherproof design, it works reliably in rain, sun, snow, or just typical outdoor conditions, and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor installation. Safety isn't overlooked either. It's made from high-quality flame-retardant materials and includes built-in protections against short circuits, overcurrent, overheating, and overvoltage. You get the 25-foot flashing cable along with an adapter in the box, and the manufacturer promises customer service response within 12 hours should you encounter any issues. Think about what this means for your setup: continuous 24/7 power, no more climbing ladders for battery changes, and a clean, permanent installation in even the most challenging spots. It's ideal for those wanting to maintain their Ring ecosystem effortlessly. To wrap up, this 25-foot power cord adapter is an excellent, reliable, and weatherproof solution for powering your Ring Spotlight Cam Pro or related models without interruption. It delivers convenience, safety, and flexibility in one package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more future reviews. See you in the next video.